Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, but things are not just moving forward? Like you're putting in efforts, but nothing is really changing. Trust me, I have been there too, and I know how frustrating that can be. We all have those days when motivation fades and everything feels too big to handle. But here is what I have realized: we often get it wrong because we think that success, change, or progress come from huge breakthroughs. But the truth is, small, almost invisible habits we build every day that matter the most. Just think about this for a second, that how many times you started something, got overwhelmed, and then stopped because it felt like you are not moving fast enough. Or you gave up completely because the goal seemed impossible. Now, let me share with you something. All it takes is one small step. Just think about it. Reading just 5 pages a day might seem like nothing, right? But over time, these 5 pages can turn into 10 books in a year. And you are not just reading pages, you are feeding your mind, learning and growing even when it feels like nothing is changing. Or you can take learning English. Maybe you are feeling frustrated because fluency seems out of reach. But if you learn one new word every day, in a year, you will have added 365 words to your vocabulary. We often tend to ignore these small habits because they don't give us instant result. And that is where the pain comes in. Sometimes you realize that the whole year has passed and you are still not where you want to be. And that is the reality of putting off the small things. We feel stuck not because we can't take giant leaps, but because we neglected small steps that would have taken us far. Now, let me ask you something. What's that one small thing that you can do right now? What is that small habit you can start that can bring you closer to the life you want? Don't wait for motivation to strike. Start with just one step, because those small moments of effort can add up to something incredible. Thank you for sticking with me. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And let's make these small habits part of our life together. See you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.